Hi, welcome to the Swim Professionals again. Today we will learn as black floating on the back. Last time we learned on the front. There are many steps a coach can make, a trainer can make, our parents can make around 20 steps. But today in the video we're going to show you around 6 to 7 steps which will help you to understand how we have to teach these steps from initial step to the harder step we will go. So let's go and watch today the step one with the holding with the pool back floating with the pool mat. As you can see now, the teacher is keeping a child on a mat and he let him understand the posture that how he gonna do a back floating. So that will help to understand the child. Make sure you have a pool mat or something which is like a pool mat and floating where the child can understand. Now step two is back float with the pool help mat also, but slightly little change. As you can see, the teacher are holding him through the legs and his head is fully down. So that is one of the steps. And then we go to another step, also little modify, which we done it now with the pool noodle. As the pool noodle is a very crucial equipment or device to use it for children. As you can see now, we use first two noodles to make him balance on the back floating on water, and make sure we use always first two noodles and then we slowly remove another noodle. If a child need help, you can put even a three noodle also. But as you can see now, teacher is moving to another step. Now he's using one noodle. So you have been watching how he carefully leave him and independently back float. Back float is a very uh, um, one of the difficult skill to learn. So we need to go in a stepwise, slowly. As you can see now, step four, the child is learning back floating with the help of board. The board help the child to learn on the float on the top of the water while he learn how to become balanced. So as you can see now, the teacher is counted till 10 seconds. Once it's finished, again we can watch now in another side. As you can see now, he finish 10 seconds, and once it's finished he will stand up. Now we will learn step 5, back floating independently. This is one of the very important step to do back floating while doing independently without a teacher help. As you can see, the teacher is first holding him in the initial steps so that he can learn independently back floating. As you can see now, the teacher hold him and he is going to leave him slowly on the pool water on the top of the surface. So you can see. And now step 6, we will go little more ahead where the child will do a back floating with the pool help of pool wall. So now you can see as he do himself, he will leave the pool wall and he will back float. As you can see again, now he's floating on the back while he's learning the steps. Again, please watch. As you can see, now he learned very nice. Thank you for watching our videos. Hope you